This question is asking us to subtract 10x minus 3 from 6x minus 5. Okay, and both of these are expressions. Now, when you look at this, it's very similar to this right here. Let's say it asks us to subtract 2 from 9. Okay, now we have two possibilities. We have this and we have this. All right, now look at both of these. Which one of these two, the purple on top or the green on the bottom, is asking us to subtract 2 from 9? One of them is subtracting 2 from 9, and the other one is subtracting 9 from 2. So this is the one that's asking us to subtract 2 from 9. This one's actually asking us to subtract 9 from 2. So you see what's happening is the thing that you are subtracting goes behind the minus sign. Now, let's look at the problem that we have here. Subtract 10x minus 3 from 6x minus 5. So we are going to subtract 10x minus 3 from 6x minus 5. Okay, and what is super important here? Notice how I put these parentheses. I am not subtracting just the 10x. I am subtracting both of these terms, the 10x and the minus 3. And you remember, we are going to not only subtract the 10x, but we are also going to subtract the minus 3. So this is actually distribution. So let's go ahead and work it out. In front, this 6x minus 5, that's just going to come out of the parentheses. There's no reason to keep them in the parentheses. There's nothing multiplying that 6x minus 5. So we're just going to write it down as 6x minus 5. Now we are going to subtract, and a lot of people like to do this. They like to put a 1 to show that they're subtracting a negative 1. We're going to subtract the 10x, and that's going to give us minus 10x. And very important, we are going to subtract a negative 3. Subtracting a negative is a positive. Make a big giant positive. I see a lot of mistakes there. Okay, and now we just are combining our like terms. So you see any like terms? I see x's with x's, and I see numbers with numbers. Let's go ahead and put them together. 6x minus 10x is negative 4x. And then I have a negative 5 plus 3 is a minus 2. That's it. This is an expression. We're done. Okay, you can't do anything else to this. You can't move anything to two different sides because you don't have two different sides. You don't have an equal sign. It's an expression. We have simplified the expression. Distribute, combine like terms, and we are done.